Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for eco-friendly cleaning product business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, let's create a new site. Now build with Wix editor, and here enter your business or your website type. So for example, let's choose this. You can choose whatever you want about the cleaning products. Now enter your business name, type any business name you want, and here enter your business address. So that's it. Now let's continue. Here set your default working hours. Now if you wanna start some service, if you wanna add some services on your homepage, and let's continue. Add your stuff. What else do you want to do with your business? Accept online payments, send automated emails and SMS reminders, sell digital and physical products. Now continue to dashboard. Now design your site. So how would you like to design a website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So let's get started. Now enter your informations, your business name, your email, your address, and your phone. And if you wanna add social link, so let's continue. Pick a theme you like. Now pick your favorite homepage design. Add page to your site if you wanna add some page. Now wait a few seconds preparing the homepage design. Now your site is up and running, so if you want to edit more, click here, go to editor. So this is your homepage website. If you want to add elements, click here. So the first element here is the text element. You can select the size or the shape of the text you want, the titles or the paragraphs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image. Here if you want to upload image, if you want to import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations. Now let's move on to the button elements. Here you find the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, and the documents buttons, and the items button. And here you find the payments buttons. You have to add some payments buttons on your home page. Here you find the strip, classic, featured, about, services, and contact, and welcome and testimonials and team. So if you wanna select any one of these and add it on your home page at any place you want as you like. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, the same lines, the basic shapes, and the arrows, horizontal lines, and the vertical lines. Here you find vector art, featured, icons, animals and nature, logos and badges and characters. And here you find the video elements, the video box, video mask, and transparent video. Here we find the boxes elements, we find the themed boxes, the container boxes and the hover boxes and the tabs. Here you find the galleries section if you're looking for some recommended galleries, or if you want to add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menus and the anchor. Here if you want to edit or manage your menus section, if you want to add some themed menus or horizontal menus or vertical menus. Here the in-page navigation if you want to add some anchor or in-page menu. And here the site search if you want to edit the site search. Now let's move on to the contact and the forms. Here you find all the forms you have to add on your homepage: the contact form, the order form, the registration, donation, application, feedback, request, waiver, and subscribe forms. Select any one of these as you like. Choose anyone at any form you want, and you can add it on your home page. Here you find the Google Maps, the normal maps, and the full width maps if you want to add some full width maps or normal maps. And here we find the chats, the Wix chat, and the line button. Now let's move on to the video and the music. Here you find the video elements, single video players, or Wix video, or video box, or video mask, or transparent video. Here you find the music elements, find the audio players, Wix Music and SoundCloud player, or Spotify player, or iTunes button. Here we find the interactive elements. You find the slideshows, the full width slideshows, or the box slideshows. Here we find the light boxes. And here we find the boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs. And here we find the repeaters, the hover repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the list. Here we find the hover repeaters and the blank repeaters. Let's move on to the embed code. If you want to custom popular embeds, or if you want to add single video players, or if you want to edit your audio section elements, if you want to edit your advanced elements here, marketing tools and the relative mode, if you want to edit the animation elements, here the social bar. If you want to add some social bar, select any social bar you want. If you want to add the Facebook link, or Twitter link, or Pinterest link, or VK link, or Line, or YouTube link on your home page. Here you find the payments elements, the payment section if you want to add some payments buttons, if you want to add some payment forms, the pricing plans, and the store. If you want to use the CMS and easily manage your site's content. Here if you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience. Here if you want to edit your store section. And here you find the bookings elements if you want to edit your booking section, related elements, and the pricing plans. Here we find the events if you want to create and manage events, and here community and your designs. So that's it. Now if you want to add section, click here, select any section you want to add on your home page, and that's it. Now let's move on to the page and menus. If you want to add page on your home page, so click here, select any page you want to add. Now let's move on to the site design. If you want to customize your site design, if you want to edit the color theme, or the text theme, or the page background, or the page transitions, if you want to add some apps, here if you want to manage your business, if you want to upload your media, if you want to edit images and videos, if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, if you want to use CMS and easily manage your site's content. And here the last is marketing and SEO. If you want to edit, if you want to manage your Google ads, or Facebook ads, or SEO, or social media marketing, or marketing integrations. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.